And that's why Miss O formulated a shampoo and conditioner particularly for those who have, you know, pimples and acne. But you can still use this one because this is, even if you don't have acne, because it is really a good shampoo and conditioner that you can use because of this particular ingredients that we have. So it has sodium lauryl sulfoacetate, which is, you know, a skin-friendly surfactant that can remove oil, dirt, and bacteria. It also has, you know, polycoternium, which is good in conditioning, gives you a conditioning benefits. Cocamidopryl betaine, a natural derived coconut oil. And, you know, it gives you a hydrating and it can actually thicken your hair. Of course, ethyl hexyglycerine, it leaves the hair smoother and softer while hydrating them. So these are the ingredients of our shampoo. And of course, it is much better if you're gonna pair it with conditioner that we have. And most of us, like women, they cannot you know, they cannot finish having, you know, shower or taking a bath without conditioner on our hair, right? So it's really good on our hair. It has hydrolyzed keratin. It also has Tocoma butter that gives you hydration on your skin. Wheat protein that can actually prevent breakage of your hair. It also has aloe barbadensis leaf juice that can gives you more on moisturizing effect and a well-nourished, hydrated hair. Okay.